Two-factor authentication 2FA adds an extra layer of security to your Robinhood account. Follow these steps to enable it quickly. Step 1. Open the Robinhood app. Launch the Robinhood app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Tap on the account icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Security Settings. Scroll down and find the Security section within the Settings menu. Tap on it to access security options. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Look for the option labeled Two-factor authentication or 2FA. Toggle the switch to turn it on. You may need to verify your identity. Step 5. Choose your verification method. Select your preferred method for receiving the authentication code, such as SMS or an authentication app. Follow the prompts to complete the setup. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your Robinhood account with two-factor authentication. Always remember to keep your verification method secure.